Oke, Bapak Ibu, kemarin kita sudah mempelajari tips untuk mengerjakan listening comprehension dari skill 1, 2, dan 3. Kita ulas sebentar ya materi yang sudah kita pelajari. Oke, di skill yang pertama kemarin kita mempelajari bahwa untuk menjawab soal listening comprehension part A ya, part B. Jadi jumlah soal yang harus dikerjakan di listening comprehension itu di section 1, listening comprehension, ada 50 soal ya, terdiri dari 3 part, part A, part B, and part C. Nah, part A terdiri dari 30 percakapan pendek dan setiap percakapan diikuti oleh satu pertanyaan. Kemudian kalau part B merupakan too long conversation, 2 percakapan panjang. Dan setiap percakapan diikuti oleh langsung beberapa pertanyaan, biasanya 4 pertanyaan. Kemudian part C merupakan talk, pembicara. Oke, jadi ada 3 pembicara nanti, setiap pembicara ada beberapa pertanyaan, biasanya 4 pertanyaan. Oke, nah untuk menjawab listening comprehension di skill yang pertama kemarin kita mempelajari focus on the last line ya. Kita diminta untuk fokus pada baris terakhir atau speaker yang kedua. Karena seringkali jawaban di soal listening comprehension ini berada di baris yang kedua. Oke, berada di baris yang kedua. Oke, mohon maaf teman-teman. Di tempat saya nih dekat masjid. Jadi ada kumandang azan terlebih dahulu. Oke, Bapak Ibu kita lanjutkan. Nah, kemarin kita mempelajari skill yang pertama kita diminta untuk fokus pada baris kedua atau baris terakhir ya, atau speaker yang kedua maksudnya. Nah, kemudian di skill yang kedua, kemarin kita mempelajari choose answer with synonym. Kita diminta untuk menjawab, memilih jawaban dengan bentuk sinonim. Nah, setelah kita fokus pada baris kedua atau speaker yang kedua, nah, kita cari bentuk sinonim di pilihan jawabannya A, B, C, or D yang mana yang memuat bentuk sinonim dan cek kesesuaian maknanya ya. Kemudian di skill yang ketiga kemarin kita mempelajari avoid similar sound. Nah, kita diminta untuk menghindari suara yang sama. Karena seringkali suara yang sama itu adalah jawaban-jawaban yang menjebak sehingga kita pilih cari suara yang berbeda atau kita menggunakan bentuk sinonim gitu ya. Right. Nah, sekarang kita masuk skill yang keempat. Nah, di skill yang keempat, who, what, and where. Draw conclusion about who, what, and where. Nah, kita diminta untuk draw conclusion. Draw conclusion itu maksudnya menarik kesimpulan terkait pertanyaan siapa, apa, dan di mana. Oke, siapa, apa, dan di mana. It is common in the short dialogues to ask you to draw some kind of conclusion. In this type of question, the answer is not clearly stated. Jadi jawaban dari tipe dari pertanyaan untuk jawaban ini itu tidak ada jawabannya. Tidak jelas maksudnya ya. Instead, you must draw a conclusion. Sehingga kita diminta untuk menarik kesimpulan based on clue given in the dialogue. Berdasarkan clue, petunjuk yang diberikan di dialog tersebut. One kind of conclusion that is common in this part of the test is to ask you to determine who the speaker is. Nah, kita diminta untuk mengira-ngirakan siapa yang berbicara. Based on clue given in the dialogue. Contoh, example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. Yeah. Can you tell me what assignment I missed when I was absent for your class? Dapatkah kamu memberitahuku tugas apa yang saya lewatkan saat saya tidak hadir dari kelasmu? You miss one homework assignment and a quiz. Kamu melewatkan satu tugas dan sebuah quiz. Who is the man? Nah, siapa laki-laki tersebut? Di sini kan nggak diberikan man-nya siapa, woman-nya siapa. Cuman kita bisa memberi jawaban tersebut. Who is the man? Yaitu a teacher, seorang guru. Karena ada petunjuknya, yaitu your class, one homework assignment, and a quiz. Ya. Itu ya. Nah, untuk pertanyaan yang kedua, word ya, another type of conclusion that is common in the short dialogues is to determine what will probably happen next. Nah, apa yang akan terjadi selanjutnya? Apa yang akan dilakukan selanjutnya? Based on clue given in the dialogue. Example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. On the recording you hear, are you going to read those book here in the library? Apa kamu akan membaca buku-buku ini di sini di perpustakaan? Apakah kamu akan membaca buku-buku itu di sini di perpustakaan? I think I'd rather check them out now and take them home. Saya pikir saya lebih baik mengeceknya keluar sekarang dan membawanya pulang. Saya pikir saya lebih baik mengeceknya keluar sekarang dan membawanya pulang. Nah, what will the man probably do next? Apa yang akan dilakukan selanjutnya oleh laki-laki tersebut? Kita diminta untuk mengira-ngirakan apa yang akan dilakukan selanjutnya. Sebelum keluar ngapain? Yaitu go to the circulation desk. Pergi ke tempat pelayanan, meja pelayanan atau tempat meja peminjaman ya. Sebelum keluar pasti minta untuk pinjam terlebih dahulu karena mau mengeceknya buku tersebut di luar ya. Nggak mungkin E ya, duduk duduk malah duduk di perpustakaan. Kalau B, look for some more book, nyari buku lagi. Kalau C, return the book to the shelves, mengembalikan buku malah ke rak ya. Next. Nah, untuk pertanyaan yang ketiga ini where, di mana? A final type of conclusion that is common in the short dialogues is to determine where the conversation probably take place. Nah, kita diminta untuk mengira-ngirakan di mana conversation tersebut kemungkinan terjadi based on clue given in the conversation. Contoh, on the recording you hear, "Are you going into the water?" Apa kamu akan masuk ke air? Or, "Are you just going to lie there on the sand?" Apa kamu akan berbaring di sana di atas pasir? I think I need to put on some suntan lotion. Saya pikir saya perlu menaruh beberapa suntan lotion. Oke, nah ini ada petunjuknya, masuk di air, berbaring di atas pasir, menaruh beberapa suntan lotion, sunblock maksudnya ya. Oke, sehingga jawaban tepat di mana nih kira-kira? Yaitu at the beach, di pantai. Gitu ya. Nggak mungkin di beauty salon ya. Kemudian nggak mungkin di sandbox, nggak mungkin juga di outdoor restaurant. Oke, nah sekarang kita masuk exercise 4. Number 1, I like to deposit this check in my account, please. Saya ingin menyetorkan cek ini di account saya, please. Oke, kata si woman-nya, would you like any cashback? Who is the woman? Nah, siapa wanita tersebut kira-kira, Bapak Ibu nih? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Iya, Bang Taylor. Karena di bank ya, yaitu Bang Taylor. Good. Oke, number 2, have you deposit your paycheck yet? Oke, sudah kamu menyetorkan paycheck, bisa dianggap gaji ya. Sudah kamu menyetorkan gajimu? Oke, no, belum katanya. But that's next on my list of errands. Tapi itu daftar tugas saya selanjutnya. What will the man probably do next? Apa yang akan dilakukan selanjutnya kira-kira oleh laki-laki tersebut?
Go to a bank.
Iya, pastinya karena itu daftar tugas saya selanjutnya untuk menyetorkan. Kalau menyetorkan berarti ke bank, go to bank. Alright. Oke, mudah lah ya. Next, number 3. Did you get bread, egg, and milk? Oke, apa kamu mendapatkan bread, roti, telur, milk ya? Now we need to stand in line at the checkout counter. Kita perlu untuk stand in line. Stand in line itu ngantri ya. Di counter checkout. Where does this conversation probably take place? Nah, di mana conversation ini kemungkinan terjadi? A, B, C, or D?
In a market.
Iya, in a market ya tentunya di pasar ya. Karena pertama bread, egg, milk ya mendapatkan ini, kemudian stand in line ngantri, nggak mungkin di restoran ya. Kemudian di bakery on a farm ya. Tuh. Nah, sekarang kita masuk to full exercise for number 1 to 10. Soal 1 sampai 10.
TOEFL Exercise 4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who, what, and where. Number 1.
I didn't bring my laboratory manual today.
You can share mine. Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis, and we can work together.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
This is Flight 707 requesting permission to land.
Flight 707, you are cleared for landing.
Who is the man? Number 3.
You want to do the dishes now or later?
I'd rather put them off as long as possible.
What will the man probably do? Number 4.
How much of a tip should I leave? Oh, $1's plenty. The service wasn't very good.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 5.
Can I pick up my shoes on Tuesday? I need them for a party that night.
They should be fixed by then.
Who is the man? Number 6.
Did you get pictures of the lions?
Yes. And now let's go to the other side of the park. I want to see the exotic birds.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 7.
Could you put the letters in the pending file now?
Yes, then I can answer them tomorrow.
What will the woman probably do tomorrow? Number 8.
The lights are flashing and everyone's going in.
We should take our seats now before the second act starts.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 9.
Have you responded to Bob's dinner invitation yet?
I'll take care of it right away.
What will the man probably do next? Number 10.
Can you fill this prescription for me?
If you leave the prescription, I can have it filled in about 10 minutes.
Who is the woman?
Oke, alright. Oke, gimana nih Bapak Ibu? Aman dengan jawabannya? Untuk audionya tadi gimana? Clear ya?
Clear, sir.
Alright, clear ya. Oke, nah sekarang silakan dicek aja ya. Oke, silakan dicek aja kunci jawabannya dari soal 1 sampai 10. Nah, kira-kira benar berapa? Oke, silakan tulis ya di kolom chat Zoom kira-kira benar berapa. Oke, alright. Nah, kita cek ya dari Kak Maria benar 9, Kak Aulia 8, Kak Zul 10, Kak Indrawati 10, Kak Fauzan 9, Kak Ade Karim 7, Kak Wida 8. Alright. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita cek listening script-nya ya. Number one, I didn't bring my laboratory manual today. Okay, you can share mine. Today we're conducting the experiment on photosynthesis and we can work together. Nah, ini where does this conversation probably take place? Nah, di mana conversation ini kemungkinan terjadi? Berarti in a biology laboratory ya. Karena petunjuknya di sini ada kata laboratory manual ya. Kemudian ada kata eksperimen, ada fotosintesis ya. Okay. Next, number 2. This is flight 707 requesting permission to land. Flight 707, you are clear for landing. Who is the man? Nah, yang ditanyakan man-nya ya. Oke, jangan bukan woman-nya ya. Berarti kalau sebelumnya kita kemarin fokus pada baris kedua ya. Nah, ini kita lihat juga teliti dengan pertanyaannya. Who is the man? Siapa laki-laki tersebut? Yang ditanya adalah laki-lakinya, bukan woman-nya ya. Yaitu he's a pilot. Seorang pilot. Next. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Do you want to do this is now or later? Apa kamu ingin do the dishes, mencuci piring sekarang atau nanti? I'd rather put them off as long as possible. What will the man probably do? Nah, apa yang si laki-laki tersebut kemungkinan apa yang akan dilakukan oleh laki-laki tersebut? Yaitu wait until later to clean up, yaitu menunggu sampai bersih untuk sampai nanti untuk clean up, untuk membersihkannya. Okay, number 4, how much of tip? Okay, berapa banyak tip should I leave? Seharusnya saya leave, tinggalkan. Oh, $1 plenty. The service wasn't very good. Jadi pelayanan itu tidak terlalu bagus. Where does this conversation probably take place? Nah, di mana conversation ini kemungkinan terjadi? Yaitu in a restaurant, di restoran. Nah, di sini ada kemudian petunjuknya pertama ada tipsnya, kemudian ada pelayanannya gitu ya. Next, number 5. Okay, number 5, can I pick up my shoes on Tuesday? Okay, bisa saya mengambil sepatu-sepatu saya di hari Selasa? I need them for a party that night. Saya memerlukan sepatu-sepatu tersebut for a party, untuk party that night. It should be fixed by then. Nah, mereka maksudnya sepatu-sepatu tersebut seharusnya di fix by then ya. Who is the man? Nah, siapa laki-laki tersebut? Yaitu a shoe repair person. Oke, tukang yang memperbaiki sepatu ya. Oke, number 6. Did you get a picture of the lion? Apa kamu mendapatkan gambar lions ya? Yes, and now let's go the other side of the park. Dan sekarang let's go the other side. I want to see the exotic bird. Saya ingin melihat the exotic bird. Where does this conversation probably take place? Nah, di mana conversation ini kemungkinan terjadi? Yaitu at zoo. Oke, di kebun binatang. Karena petunjuknya ada kata lions ya. Kemudian ada the other side of the park. Kemudian see exotic bird ya. Next, number 7. Okay, number 7. Could you put the letter in the pending file now? Yes, then I can answer. Dan saya bisa menjawabnya besok. What will the woman probably do tomorrow? Nah, apa yang akan dilakukan oleh wanita tersebut besok apa? Oke. Berarti menjawab letternya ya, yaitu respond to the mail, menjawab surat-surat tersebut. Oke, number 8, the lights are flashing and everyone's going in. We should take our seat now before the second act start. Oke. Where does this conversation probably take place? Nah, di mana conversation ini kemungkinan terjadi? Yaitu in a theater. Karena petunjuknya ada our seats ya. Kemudian the second act start. Oke, aktor yang kedua mulai ya. Lanjut, number 9. Oke, number 9. Have you responded to Bob's dinner invitation yet? Oke, I'll take care of it right away. Saya akan mengurusnya segera, maksudnya kata si man-nya. Berarti let Bob know they accept his invitation, bahwa dia menerima undangannya. Oke, number 10. Can you fill this prescription for me? Dapatkah kamu mengisi resep ini untuk saya? If you leave the prescription, jika kamu meninggalkan resep tersebut, I can have it filled about 10 minutes. Saya akan mengisinya sekitar 10 menit. Who is the woman? Siapa wanita tersebut? Yaitu a pharmacist, apoteker ya. Nah, gitu kira-kira. Oke, any question? Oke, clear ya?
Clear, sir.
Right. Lanjut. Nah, sekarang kita masuk skill yang kelima. Nah, di skill yang kelima, listen for who and what in passive. Nah, kita diminta untuk mendengarkan. Oke, kita diminta untuk mendengarkan siapa dan apa dalam bentuk pasif ya. It is sometimes difficult to understand who or what is doing the action in passive sentence. This problem is often faced in short dialogues. Nah, kita diminta untuk mendengarkan siapa dan apa yang dilakukan tindakan tersebut di kalimat pasif. Oke, langsung aja ke contoh. On recording you hear, did Sally go to the bank this morning? Apakah Sally pergi ke bank tadi pagi? Yes, she did. Ya, dia pergi maksudnya. She got a new checking account. Dia mendapatkan sebuah account cek yang baru. Nah, ini kan kalimat aktif ya. Kalau di speaker yang kedua berupa kalimat aktif, maka jawabannya seringkali berupa kalimat pasif. Begitu juga sebaliknya. Ketika di speaker yang kedua berupa kalimat pasif, maka jawabannya berupa kalimat aktif. What does the woman imply? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah C. A new checking account was open. Sebuah account cek yang baru dibuka. Gitu ya. Aktif menjadi pasif, pasif menjadi aktif. Gitu intinya. Oke. Nah, passive statement. If the dialogue contain a passive statement, jika dialog tersebut memuat statement pasif, the answer to the question is often an active statement. Jadi jawaban dari pertanyaan tersebut seringkali berupa kalimat aktif. Begitu juga sebaliknya, if the dialogue contain an active statement, jika dialog tersebut memuat kalimat aktif, the answer to the question is often a passive statement. Maka jawabannya seringkali memuat kalimat pasif. Contoh, kita masuk ke contoh exercise 5. Masih ada scriptnya ya. Alice need to pay her tuition today. Alice perlu untuk membayar SPP-nya hari ini. But her tuition has already been paid. Namun SPP-nya itu sudah dibayar. Pasif ya. Oke, namun SPP-nya atau uang sekolahnya itu sudah dibayar. Pasif. Maka jawabannya berarti berupa kalimat aktif. SPP-nya sudah dibayar. Berarti Alice sudah membayar SPP-nya ya. Sehingga jawaban tepat apa nih? Bapak Ibu, A, B, C, or D?
C.
Iya, C ya. Alice has already paid her fee ya. Jadi Alice sudah membayar fee-nya, uang sekolahnya. Oke, number 2, have you been taking good care of the lawn? Sudah kamu merawat pekarangan tersebut ya? I watered it only this morning. Saya menyirami. It-nya kembali ke lawn ya. Oke. It-nya kembali ke Oke, I watered it only this morning. Saya menyirami pekarangan tersebut tadi pagi. Oke, kalimatnya aktif ya. Baji menjadi pasif. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat apa nih?
C.
Iya, berarti the lawn, pekarangan tersebut has already been watered today. Jadi pekarangannya tersebut sudah disirami hari ini. Alright. Okay, number 3. Did you hear the news about the child who was lost in the park? Okay. Apa kamu mendengar berita terkait anak yang hilang di taman? Yes, and I heard that she was just found. Dan saya mendengar bahwa dia baru saja ditemukan. Pasif ya. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat apa nih? A, B, C, or D?
A.
Oke, maka jawaban tepat adalah A. Someone located the girl. Oke, jadi seseorang menemukan gadis Sebut loh kok menjadi gadis. Nah, padahal di situ tadi child ya. Oke, karena di speaker yang kedua ada kata gantinya menggunakan she ya, berarti girl ya. Child tersebut berupa girl. Someone located the girl. Oke, jadi seseorang menemukan gadis tersebut. Nah, gitu. Nah, sekarang kita masuk TOEFL exercise 5 ya. Dari soal 1 sampai 10.
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry? Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Mac class representative.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
What does the man mean?
Oke, saya ulangi lagi ya.
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry? Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Matt class representative.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
What does the man mean?
Oke, silakan cek uji jawabannya, Bapak Ibu. Oke, tulis di kolom chat Zoom ya. Kira-kira berapa dari soal 1 sampai 10. Oke, dari Kak Maria benar 10. Good. Kak Zuljalali benar 10. Kak Aulina 9. Kak Fauzan 6. Kak Sarwan Jimmy 6. Kak Wida 7. Right. Oke, nah sekarang kita cek ya listening script-nya. Oke, number one, would you like to go the new restaurant on the corner? Oke, apa kamu ingin pergi ke restoran baru on the corner? Is that the one that serve vegetarian food? Apakah itu restoran? Apakah restoran itu yang menyajikan vegetarian food? What does the woman want to know? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah dia. If vegetarian food can be obtained, bisa didapatkan. Number two, has Harry heard? Apakah sudahkah Harry mendengar from the law school yet? Yes, ya, mendengar ya. He was admitted by the law school. Dia, Harry ya, diterima oleh sekolah hukum for the fall semester. What happened to Harry? Berarti the law school, jadi sekolah hukum tersebut accepted him, menerimanya sebagai seorang murid. Oke, number three, Mark say that you were a lot of help. Oke, Mark berkata bahwa kamu, a lot of help. Oke, membantu banyak maksudnya. Well, I took care of his plant while he was out of town. Ya, saya merawat tanamannya Mark ya. Saat dia keluar kota. Oke, what does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah Mark plant were care. Jadi tanamannya Mark itu dirawat for in his absence. Oke, number 4. Do you know what happened during the lightning storm? Apa kamu tahu apa yang terjadi selama lightning storm? Ya. Yes, several trees were destroyed. Ya, beberapa pohonan itu roboh, hancur. Rusak maksudnya, roboh lah intinya. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah be the storm damage. Jadi petir tersebut merusak the trees, pepohonan ya, aktif ya. Dari pasif menjadi aktif. Number 5, did you see Sally? Apa kamu melihat Sally her leg in a case? Oke, kakinya itu gip ada. Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountain. Dia memberitahuku bahwa dia broke her leg skiing in the mountain. What happened to Sally? Apa yang terjadi kepada Sally? Berarti her leg, kakinya, were terluka on skiing trip. Number 6, the horses are not in very good shape now. D-nya kembali ke horses ya. Kuda tersebut were ridden, dikendarai too long and too hard. Oke, what does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah the reader work mempekerjakan horses too much. Oke, berlebihan. Oke, number 7. Why didn't you order coffee? Kenapa kamu tidak memesan kopi? I thought it had already been ordered. Saya pikir kopinya tersebut sudah dipesan. Oke, what does the man mean? Berarti jawaban tepat adalah he assumed the woman had ordered coffee. Dia berasumsi wanita tersebut sudah memesan kopinya. Number 8, how are your friend going to get home from the airport after their trip? The car was left. Jadi mobil mereka ditinggal di airport lots ya, di parkiran airport. Oke, bandara. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. The friend parked their car. Jadi teman-teman tersebut memarkirkan mobilnya di bandara tersebut. Oke, number 9, has the class chosen a representative? Sudahkah kelas? Oke, sudahkah kelas memilih representative? Perwakilan ya. The other student appoint Mark class representative. Jadi murid-murid yang lain menunjuk Mark sebagai perwakilan kelas. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah Mark was chosen, dipilih by his classmate, oleh teman kelasnya, to represent them, untuk mewakilinya. Oke, number 10, wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake? Oke, apakah bangunan-bangunan tersebut tidak rusak saat gempa bumi? Yes, it was. Ya, rusak tentunya ya. And when this happened, dan saat itu terjadi, the inhabitant, penduduk tersebut, were paid, dibayar oleh the insurance company, perusahaan asuransi. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah D. The insurance company paid, membayar for the earthquake damage. Oke, atas kerusakan earthquake-nya, gempa bumi. Oke. Oke, any question? Clear ya? Lanjut. Sekarang kita masuk skill berikutnya. Oke, di skill yang berikutnya berarti skill yang ke-6. Nah, di skill yang ke-6, listen for who and what. Nah, kita diminta untuk mendengarkan siapa dan apa lagi. Siapa dan apa dalam bentuk multiple noun. Kalau tadi kan who and what dalam bentuk pasif ya. Nah, sekarang who and what lagi dalam bentuk multiple nouns. When there is more than one noun, oke, jika ada lebih dari satu noun in a sentence in the short dialogue, it is common for the answer to confuse which noun does what. Jadi membuat bingung noun mana yang dimaksud ketika ada dua noun. Maksud dua noun itu seperti apa? Nah, kita cek aja di contohnya ya. Example from the paper on computable test. Do you know who is in the bank now? Apakah kamu tahu siapa yang berada di band sekarang? I heard that Mara replaced Robert in the band. Saya mendengar bahwa Mara menggantikan Robert di band. Yang dimaksud dua noun itu nih, Mara sama Robert. Kalau ditulis ini kan mudah untuk kita menentukan ya, Mara yang menggantikan Robert. Tapi saat listening nanti, terkadang kita lupa apakah Mara yang menggantikan Robert atau Robert yang menggantikan Mara. Nah, itu yang membuat bingung saat listening ya. Kalau saat seperti ini yang masih ditulis skripnya ya mudah untuk menentukan ya. I heard that Mara replaced Robert in the band. Saya mendengar bahwa Mara menggantikan Robert di band. What does the woman say about the band? Kalau Robert became a new member of the band. Robert menjadi seorang member baru di band. Salah ya. Seharusnya yang menjadi member baru adalah Maranya, karena Mara menggantikan Robert ya. Salah ya. Kalau B, Robert took Mara's place ya. Robert menggantikan posisinya Mara. Robert menggantikan posisinya Mara. Salah. Seharusnya Mara lah yang menggantikan posisinya Robert. Mara didn't have a place in the band. Gak cocok. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah dia. Mara took Robert's place in the band. Jadi Mara mengambil posisinya Robert di band tersebut. Tuh. Okay, who and what with multiple noun. When there are multiple noun in a sentence, it is common for the answer to confuse which noun does what. Ya. Nah, sekarang kita masuk exercise 6. Number 1. Okay, why is Bill not at work this week? Oke, kenapa Bill tidak bekerja minggu ini? His doctor made him take a week off. Jadi dokternya Bill ya, made him, meminta Bill, himnya kembali ke Bill ya, take a week off untuk cuti. Oke, what does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat apa nih, Bapak Ibu? A, B, C, or D? D. Oke, nah kita cek ya. Dokternya, oke, jadi dokternya itu yang menyuruh Bill ya untuk cuti. Jadi Billnya yang cuti, yang menyuruh dokternya. Kalau dokter decide to take some time off from work ya. Dokter memutuskan untuk cuti malahan. Oke, salah ya. Kalau B, dokter told him, berkata kepada Bill, he wasn't too weak. Dia tidak terlalu lemah untuk bekerja. Oke, gak cocok ya. Kalau C, he was mad. Dia marah saat dokternya cuti. Salah. Bill marah ya. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah di Bill took a vacation, ngambil liburan ya. Oke, a vacation on his doctor order, atas saran dokternya. Itu. Next, number 2. Why is Paul going back home this summer? Apakah Paul pulang ke rumah maksudnya summer ini? He's returning, dia kembali, he-nya kembali ke Paul ya. Berarti Paul kembali ke Vermont for his sister wedding, atas pernikahan sisternya, saudara perempuannya. Berarti yang kembali itu Paul ya. Yang menikah yaitu sisternya. What does the woman mean? A, B, C, or D?
C.
Ya, jawaban tepat adalah C ya. Paul will be there. Paul akan ke sana, berarti Vermont ya. When his sister, saat sisternya, saudara perempuannya get married this summer. gitu. Kalau A, Paul is getting married. Paul yang menikah, salah ya. Yang menikah adalah sisternya. Kalau B, sisternya Paul, jadi saudara perempuannya Paul returning, kembali ke Vermont. Salah, yang kembali ke Vermont adalah Paulnya ya. Kalau di Paul sister, jadi sisternya Paul coming, datang ke pestanya Paul. Oke, gak cocok juga. Oke, number 2. Did you hear, apa kamu mendengar that John's uncle died? Bahwa pamannya John tersebut died ya. Oke, meninggal. Yes, and John was named beneficiary in his uncle will. Dan John menerima beneficiary warisan ya in his uncle will atas kemauan uncle-nya. Oke, pamannya. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat apa nih? A, B, C, or D?
A.
Iya. John received, menerima inheritance, warisannya when his uncle died, saat pamannya tersebut died. Oke. Kalau B bagaimana? It's going to benefit the John. Bermanfaat, bahwa John, namanya John itu sama dengan nama uncle-nya. Gak cocok nih ya. Oke. John tahu bahwa uncle-nya will come to the benefit, akan mendapatkan manfaat. Nggak cocok juga. John's uncle, jadi pamannya John, gave him, memberikan nama, a beneficial name, nama yang bermanfaat. Itu nggak cocok juga. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita masuk TOEFL exercise 6 ya.
TOEFL Exercise 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of who is doing what. Number 1.
The passenger arrived in a taxi.
Yes, and then she had the taxi driver wait at the corner.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Did you go to the concert last night?
Yes, it was great, and I got to hear Jane play the harp.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
Did the children like the new babysitter?
Not really, because she made them go to bed early.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
Why is that man throwing the ball so carefully?
He is tossing the ball to his young son.
What does the woman say about the father and son? Number 5.
Did the professor tell her students about the lecture this evening?
Yes, she directed her students to attend it.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
I cannot find the clerk.
The floor manager sent him back to the supply room.
What happened, according to the man? Number 7.
Will the students be able to get hold of the books that they need?
The librarian had them reserve the books for 2 days.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Were elections held last night as scheduled?
Yes, and the board elected Tony chairman for another year.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
At the trial, the defendant was found guilty.
Yes, the judge called the defendant a murderer.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Have the names of the new committee members been announced?
Congratulations! You've been appointed to serve on the committee.
What does the man mean?
Oke, langsung aja ya. Oke, TOEFL exercise 6 dari soal 1 sampai 10 silahkan dicek jawabannya. Oke, Kak Maria benar 8, Kak Wida 6, Kak Aulia benar 5, Kak Zul Jalali 10, alright. Kak Ade Karim benar 6. Oke, good. Kak Fauzan benar 5. Oke, nah sekarang kita cek ya listening scriptnya. Oke, number 1, the passenger arrive in a taxi. Oke, jadi penumpang tersebut tiba dalam sebuah taksi. Yes, and then she had the taxi driver wait the corner. Dan dia penumpang berarti ya, had the taxi meminta taksi driver tersebut menunggu di corner. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah si the cab driver wait. Oke, menunggu for the passenger, penumpang tersebut. Oke, number 2, did you go to the concert last night? Apa mau kamu pergi konser tadi malam? Yes, it was great. And I got to hear Jen play the harp. Dan saya melihat, mendapatkan atau melihat aja, atau mendengar Jen bermain harp. Oke, what does the woman mean? Jen gave a harp recital, memberikan a harp recital last night. Oke, number 3, did the children like the new baby sister? Apakah anak-anak tersebut menyukai baby sister baru? Not really. Okay, because she made them go to the bed early. Karena dia, baby sisternya ya, membuat si children tersebut tidur cepat. What does the man mean? Berarti the children were spoiled. Anak-anak tersebut dipaksa untuk tidur lebih awal. Oke, number 4, why is that man throwing the ball so carefully? Kenapa laki-laki tersebut melempar bolanya dengan hati-hati? He is tossing the ball to his young son. Dia melempar bolanya ke his young son. Oke, anak laki-lakinya. What does the woman say about the father and son? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. The boy is receiving, menerima bola dari his dad, ayahnya ya. Oke, number 5. Did the professor tell her student about the lecture this evening? Apakah profesor memberitahu murid-muridnya terkait perkuliahan malam ini? Yes, directed her student to attend it. Dia meminta atau menyuruh murid-muridnya untuk menghadirinya. Oke, untuk datang maksudnya. The student were told to go listen the speaker. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah E ya. Murid-murid tersebut diminta untuk pergi mendengarkan the speaker-nya. Maksudnya menghadiri lecture-nya ya, perkuliahannya. Oke, number 6, I cannot find the clerk. Saya tidak menemukan pegawai tersebut. The floor manager sent him back to the supply room. Jadi floor manager ngirim pegawai tersebut kembali ke the supply room. What happened according to the man? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah C. The clerk went to the supply room at the manager request. Jadi clerk, pegawai tersebut pergi ke supply room pada atas request permintaan manajernya. Oke, number 7, will the student be able to get hold of the book that they need? Oke, akankah murid-murid tersebut mampu get hold book yang mereka inginkan? The librarian, jadi pustakawan, had them meminta murid-murid tersebut reserve, memesan buku tersebut for 2 days. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah D. The student put the book on hold for 2 days. Number 8, were election. Apakah pemilihan tersebut held last night, digelar tadi malam as schedule, sesuai jadwal? Yes, and the board elected Tony chairman for another year. Oke. Sehingga jawaban tepat, what does the man mean? Tony become chairman, ketua. Nah, for 1 more year ya, untuk 1 tahun lah. Oke, next number 9, at the trial. The defendant was found guilty. Di persidangan, the defendant, was found guilty. Yes, the judge called the defendant a murderer. Sehingga jawaban tepat yaitu the judge said that. Jadi hakim berkata bahwa mengatakan bahwa the defendant was a criminal. Defendant tersebut merupakan seorang criminal. Ya, hakim menjuluki terdakwa sebagai kriminal ya. Number 10. Have the name of the new committee member been announced? Sudahkah nama-nama dari komite baru tersebut, member komite baru tersebut diumumkan? Congratulations, you've been. Kamu sudah ditunjuk to serve the committee, untuk memberikan komite, untuk menyajikan komite. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah D. The woman will serve on the committee. Nah, gitu kira-kira. Alright, any question? Clear lah ya. Lanjut. Nah, sekarang TOEFL exercise skill 4 to 6, mereview dari skill 4, 5, dan 6 dengan apa yang sudah kita pelajari tadi. Di skill yang keempat tadi, kita diminta untuk menjawab pertanyaan who, what, and where ya. Kita diminta untuk menarik kesimpulan terkait pertanyaan who, what, and where. Who, siapa kira-kira yang berbicara. What, apa yang akan dilakukan selanjutnya. Where, di mana conversation, percakapan atau dialog tersebut kemungkinan terjadi. Kemudian di skill yang kelima, who and what juga, who and what in pasif. Nah, ketika di statement yang kedua atau speaker yang kedua berupa kalimat aktif, maka jawabannya seringkali berupa kalimat pasif. Begitu juga sebaliknya, ketika di speaker yang kedua berupa pasif, maka jawabannya berupa kalimat aktif. Di skill yang ke-6 yaitu who and what with multiple noun ya, dengan bentuk multiple noun. Nah, sekarang kita masuk TOEFL exercise skill 4 to 6 dari skill 4 sampai 6. Oke, saya putar ya.
TOEFL exercise, skills 4 through 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
Can I help you?
I need 2 stamps and a padded mailing envelope, please.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
Why were the students coming to the teacher's office?
They had to hand in their papers.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
Did Mark stop at the service station?
Yes, he had the attendant check the oil in his car.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
I'd like a burger and fries, please.
To stay or to go?
Who is the man? Number 5.
Maybe we should make some more copies now, just in case.
Additional copies can be printed as needed.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
What did the professor ask the students to do?
He required them to buy 2 books.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
Did Jim see a doctor this morning?
Yes, and the doctor told him to return to the office to see him next week.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Have you sent the tissue samples to the laboratory?
Not yet, but I'll get it done in the next half hour.
What will the woman probably do next? Number 9.
Has there been a change in senior class president?
Yes, Mary replaced Sue in that position.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Did you find that television program interesting?
I certainly did. The current political situation was analyzed effectively by the panel.
What does the woman mean?
Oke, silakan dicek Bapak Ibu dari soal 1 sampai 10. Oke, cek Kak Aulina benar 8, Kak Maria benar 5, Kak Margareta benar 5, Kak Zuljalali 10. Oke, Kak Fauzan benar 5, Kak Adi Karim benar 6. Oke, nah sekarang kita cek ya listening script-nya dari soal 1 sampai 10. Oke, number 1, can I help you? Oke, bisakah saya membantumu? I need 2 stamps. Saya perlu 2 stamps ya, 2 dan a paid mailing envelope please. Oke, saya membutuhkan 2 perangko dan amplop surat. Oke. Oke, where does this conversation probably take? Dan di mana conversation tersebut kemungkinan terjadi? Yaitu at the post office, di kantor pos tentunya ya. Oke, number 2. Why were students coming to the teacher office? Kenapa murid-murid tersebut datang ke kantor gurunya? They had to hand in their paper. Mereka harus hand in, artinya menyerahkan paper mereka. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah the term paper. Jadi term papernya were turned in, diserahkan. Turn in, diserahkan. Oke, number 3. Oke, did Mart stop at the service station? Apakah Mart berhenti di station service ya? She had the attendant. He had the attendant. Dia meminta attendance check. Oke, attendance-nya. Dia meminta attendance ya. Petugas attendant cek mengecek minyaknya, oilnya in his car. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah A. The attendant checks ya. Mengecek oilnya in Mart car, di mobilnya Mart. Oke, jadi petugas tersebut mengecek oilnya di mobilnya Mart. Number 4, I like to burger and fries please. Oke, saya ingin burger and fries please. To stay or to go, kata si man-nya. Who is the man? Nah, siapa laki-laki tersebut? Yaitu a clerk in fast food restaurant, yaitu pegawai di restoran fast food. Okay, number 5, maybe we should make some more copies now, just in case. Additionally, copies can be printed as needed. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. They can make extra copy if necessary. Mereka menginginkan extra copy. Mereka bisa membuat extra copy, maksudnya jika diperlukan. Next, number 6. What did the professor ask the student to do? Require them. Dia membutuhkan murid-murid tersebut untuk membeli dua buku. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. Student had to purchase 2 books. Oke, di sini ada kata had to, berarti sama dengan memerlukan, butuh ya. Oke, purchase sama dengan buy ya. Next, number 7. Oke, did Jim see a doctor this morning? Apakah Jim melihat dokternya, seorang dokter pagi tadi? Yes, and the doctor told him to return, dan dokter meminta Jim tersebut untuk kembali ke office untuk melihat, to see him next week. Oke. What does the man mean? Untuk kembali lagi next week maksudnya ya. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah Jim was told to come back. Jadi Jim diminta untuk kembali. Number 8, have you sent the tissue sample to the laboratory? Not yet. Belum. But I'll get it done in the next half hour. Berarti jawaban tepat adalah what will the woman probably do next? Apa yang akan wanita tersebut lakukan selanjutnya? Have the sample delivered. Oke, dikirim maksudnya ya. Next, number 9. Has there been a change in senior class president? Yes, Mary replaced Sui in that position. Jadi Mary menggantikan Sui tersebut di posisi tersebut. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah Mary became the new class president. Mary menjadi the new class president. Oke, presiden kelas yang baru. Number 10. Did you find the television program interesting? Apakah kamu menemukan program televisi ini interesting? I certainly did. Oke, tentunya ya. The current political situation. Jadi situasi politik akhir-akhir ini was analyzed effectively by the panel. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. A committee evaluated, mengevaluasi recent political events, peristiwa politik akhir-akhir ini ya, baru-baru ini maksudnya. Oke, nah lanjut ya. Lanjut TOEFL exercise. Nah, ini TOEFL exercise kalau ini mereview. Nah, mereview dari skill 1 sampai skill 6 ya. Mereview dari skill 1 sampai skill 6. TOEFL exercise 1 to 6 dari skill 1 sampai 6. Skill 1 kita fokus pada baris kedua. Skill yang kedua yaitu bentuk sinonim. Skill yang ketiga avoid similar sound. 4 who, what, and where. Okay, draw conclusion about who, what, and where. Skill yang ke 5 who and what in passive. Skill yang ke 6 who, what in with multiple noun ya. Nah, sekarang saya putar untuk exercise skill 1 to 6 dari skill 1 sampai 6.
TOEFL review exercise, skills 1 through 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
Why do you think Peter said that?
I think he was really angry.
What does the woman say about Peter? Number 2.
Why is Hannah so happy?
Her parents have allowed her to stay up late.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I'd like some unleaded gas, please.
Would you like me to fill it up?
Where does the man probably work? Number 4.
What do you suggest for breakfast?
Well, you could have cereal or eggs or both.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Did Ellen help you a lot with your training?
She really urged me to do my best.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
Did you hear what happened to Rob's car last night?
Yeah, I heard that it was stolen.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
We need to get some milk for tomorrow morning. What about this carton?
Maybe we should get the large one instead of the small one.
What does the man suggest? Number 8.
What happened when the business people arrived in the office?
Well, first they were greeted by the receptionist.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Did you see that? The police officer was talking to the tourist.
Yes, and then he made the tourist come to the station.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Do you want to go up to Carmel for the weekend?
That seems like a terrific idea to me.
What does the man mean?
Oke, silahkan cek dari soal 1 sampai 10 nih kira-kira benar berapa. Tulis di kolom chat Zoom ya. Oke, Kak Aulina benar 7. Oke, Kak Maria benar 7, Kak Adi Karim 6, Kak Santi Susanti 6, Kak Wida 10. Oke, good. Kak Margareta 5, Kak Fauzan 6. Oke, nah sekarang kita cek ya listening scriptnya. Oke, number one. Oke, number one, why do you think Peter said that? Oke, kenapa? Oke, do you think Peter berkata begitu? I think he was really angry. Saya pikir dia sangat marah. What does the woman say about Peter? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah dia. She believes she was mad. Dia percaya dia was made. Marah ya. Oke, number two, why is Hannah so happy? Kenapa Hannah begitu bahagia? Her parents have allowed her to stay up late. Jadi orang tuanya mengizinkannya untuk stay up late. Oke, stay up late berarti bergadang gitu ya. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah di. Hannah does not have to go to bed early. Jadi Hannah tidak harus tidur awal. Okay, number 3. I like some unleaded gas. Please, would you like me to fill it up? Okay. Where does the man probably work? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. At a service station. Number 4, what do you suggest for breakfast? Well, you could have cereal or egg or both atau keduanya. What does the woman mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah D. He has a choice. Dia memiliki pilihan untuk membuat. Berarti antara cereal atau egg gitu ya. Atau keduanya. Okay, number 5. Did Ellen help you a lot with your training? She really urged me to do my best. Oke, dia sangat mendesakku untuk melakukan terbaik. Oke. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah si encourage. Dia didorong oleh Ellen to try harder. Oke, number 6. Did you hear what happened to Bob's car last night? Yes, I heard that it was stolen. It was stolen. Dan mendengar bahwa mobilnya dicuri. Ya. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah B. Someone took the car. Seseorang mengambil mobil tersebut. Number 7, we need to get some of milk for tomorrow morning. What about this cartoon? Maybe we should get the large one instead of the small one. What does the man suggest? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah A, buying the bigger container. Okay, number 8, what happened? Apa yang terjadi when the business people arrive in the office? Well, first they were greeted by the receptionist. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah A, the receptionist welcome, mempersilahkan the business people. Okay, next number 9. Okay, did you see that the police officer was talking? Jadi police officer tersebut talking, berbicara kepada turis. Yes, and then he made the tourist come to the station. Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah the tourist was forced, dipaksa untuk menemani the police officer. Number 10, do you want to go up to Carmel for the weekend? That seemed like a traffic idea to me. Tampaknya merupakan sebuah ide yang Terrific, ya, bagus untuk saya. What does the man mean? Sehingga jawaban tepat adalah D. It sound magnificent to him. Right. Oke, any question so far? Ada pertanyaan kira-kira teman-teman? Mengenai apa yang sudah kita coba pelajari hari ini atau practice hari ini? Jangan lupa ya, ini tadi isi presensinya. Oke, gimana nih Bapak Ibu dengan penjelasan hari ini? Oke, is it clear? Clear lah ya? Oke, good, clear. Oke, kita ketemu lagi next meeting. Untuk next meeting berarti besok ya. Oke, besok di jam 2 ya. Oke. Oke, saya tutup kelasnya. Let's close our class in this evening. Thank you for joining this class today, everybody. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, anytime. Okay, you're welcome.